Rose flower blanket. The enlarged and clear tutorial is here. Beginners, be sure to save this. Yarn. Start with the main body. Begin with the chain stitch. Make 4 chain stitches, CH. Then join to the first CH with a slip stitch, SL straight, to form a small ring. Round 1. Chain 3. Counts as turning chain, not as a stitch. Work 1 double crochet, DC, into the ring. Beginners, mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Continue to make 12 DC in total into the ring. Mark the last stitch as well. Join with the SL straight to the first DC. Note, the SL saint does not count as a stitch. Round 2. Chain 3. In the first stitch, work a DC increase, 2 DC in the same street. Mark both the first and last stitches. Then make 1 CH. This completes 1 set. Repeat this pattern. DC increase plus 1 chain, 12 times total. Join with the SL straight to the first DC. Round 3. Chain 3. In the first stitch, work 1 DC. In the next stitch, work a DC increase. Make 1 chain, then skip the CH space from the previous round. Repeat this pattern, 1 DC, 1 DC increase, 1 chain, skip 1, 12 times. Join with the SL straight to the first DC. Round 4, chain 3. Work 2 DC in the next 2 stitches. Then a DC increase in the third stitch. Make 1 CH, skip the next CH space. Repeat this pattern, 2 DC, 1 DC increase, 1 chain, skip 1, 12 times. Join with the SL straight. Round 5. Chain 3. Work 3 DC in the next 3 stitches. Then a DC increase in the fourth stitch. Make 1 CH, skip the next CH space. Repeat this pattern 12 times. Join with the SL straight. Continue the pattern. The rule is increase in the last stitch of each set and always skip the CH space from the previous round. Work until the blanket reaches your desired size. See you in the next tutorial.